Hey, this is Emily from Supplyhouse.com, and in this video, we'll talk about no hub couplings.
No hub? No problem. Shop for no hub couplings like a pro with our official no hub coupling shopping guide. No hub couplings, also known as soil pipe couplings, are commonly used to connect soil pipes, repair small leaks, or make alterations to existing pipework. They're designed to create a flexible yet sturdy joint, but aren't recommended for use in systems with high internal pressure. When shopping for a no-hub coupler, make sure the size you choose matches the diameter and the material of the pipes you're working with. Next, take a look at the shield design and clamping bands. These parts provide even clamping force and help secure the coupling to the pipes. While it might be tempting to opt for the cheapest option, this isn't always the best choice in the long term. Higher quality couplings often have a sturdier shield design and provide a tighter seal. Some may even feature a quick release or adjustable clamps for easier installation. Find the right no-hub couplings for your next job and get them with fast shipping from Supplyhouse.com.
Click here to order yours today, and make sure to subscribe for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.